Hello friends, welcome to Academy Tuber. These are important questions on Andhra Pradesh Budget 2020-21. This video is helpful for Andhra Pradesh competitive exams. Before going into the video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular notifications. Let's start the video. For police, the coverage of group personal accidental insurance has been increased from rupees 13 lakhs to rupees. Answer is 20 lakhs. Government of Andhra Pradesh is going to establish AP Green Energy Corporation with a mandate to install how many megawatts of dedicated solar power capacity? Answer is 8,000 megawatts to 10,000 megawatts. Budget allocated for Panchayat Raj and Rural Development Sector for the year 2020-21 is? Answer is 16,710.38 crores. Government of Andhra Pradesh is going to establish Skills University at? Answer is Tirupati. Government of Andhra Pradesh proposed to set up how many skill colleges? Answer is 30 skill colleges. One college in every parliamentary constituency. Government of Andhra Pradesh will be implementing YSR Law Nestam at an outlay of? Answer is 12.75 crores. Under this scheme, government is providing stipend of rupees 5,000 for junior lawyers. Government of Andhra Pradesh is going to establish tribal university at? Answer is Vijayanagaram. The main aim is to provide the tribals of the state to access higher education and will also help in conducting research in the tribal culture, art and economy. Government of Andhra Pradesh proposed to establish Dr. YSR Medical College at? Answer is Paderu. Government of Andhra Pradesh newly introduced which scheme for street hawkers and vendors of poorest category? Answer is Jagananna Todu. Under this scheme, government is providing financial assistance of rupees 10,000 to street hawkers and vendors of poor category. Budget allocated for YSR Netanna Nestam for the year 2020-21 is? Answer is 200 crores. Under this scheme, rupees 24,000 per annum is provided to every BPL weaver family owning a handloom. Budget allocated for Jagananna Vidya Divena and Jagananna Vasati Divena for the year 2020-21 is. Answer is 5009 crores. The government is running Jagananna Vidya Divena for full fee reimbursement for Polytechnic, ITI, Engineering, Medical, Degree and above level courses, and through Jagananna Vasati Divena, government is providing food and hostel expenses of the students. Amount allocated in AP Budget 2020-21 for Jagananna Amma Odi is. Answer is 6000 crores. Jagananna Amma Odi is brainchild of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Government is paying rupees 15,000 to mothers for sending their children to schools and colleges. Amount allotted for YSR pensions for the year 2020-21 is. Answer is 16,000 crores. The eligibility for old age pension has been reduced from 65 years to 60 years. Scheme launched by Government of Andhra Pradesh to fight malnutrition, stunting, wasting and underweight conditions among children and anemia in women is. Answer is YSR Sampurna Poshana. Amount allocated for YSR Sampurna Poshana for the year 2020-21 is 1500 crores. Government of Andhra Pradesh is planning to construct how many fishing harbors for the development of fisheries sector? Answer is 8 fishing harbors. Government of Andhra Pradesh is planning to construct fishing harbors at Juvvaladinne, Nijampatnam, Machilipatnam, Uppada, Budagatlapalem, Pudimedaka, Kottapatnam and Biyyaputippa. Government of Andhra Pradesh is implementing which scheme for the welfare of fishermen? Answer is YSR Matsyakara Bharosa. The relief during fishing ban period has been increased from rupees 4,000 to rupees 10,000. The government has also increased the financial assistance to the families in case of death of fishermen while fishing to rupees 10 lakhs from rupees 5 lakhs. Budget allocated by AP government for agricultural sector for the year 2000 to 2020-21 is. Answer is 11,891.20 crores. Government of Andhra Pradesh proposed to set up how many Dr. YSR Agri testing labs across the state? Answer is 160 Dr. YSR Agri Testing Labs. Amount allotted for Raitu Bharosa Kendralu for the year 2020-21 is ₹100 crores. It is planned to establish Raitu Bharosa Kendralu in all 11,158 village secretariats. Government of Andhra Pradesh is undertaking the establishment of how many Dr. YSR health clinics at the village and ward level? Answer is over 11,000. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular notifications. Thanks for watching.